Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into the Samsung A56, a smartphone that's redefining what we expect from mobile technology. With its groundbreaking 300MP DSLR-Like camera, compact mini display, and massive 7,700 mAh battery, the Samsung A56 is a game-changer for photography enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone looking for a high-performance device that fits comfortably in your hand. Let's explore what makes this phone so special. The Samsung A56 is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation and user-friendly design. Known for pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology, Samsung has outdone itself with the 300MP primary camera, offering professional-grade photography in a compact device. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light shots, this camera delivers stunning detail and clarity. The multi-camera setup also includes a wide-angle lens and macro lens, ensuring versatility for every photography need. But the Samsung A56 isn't just about the camera. Its compact 5.7-inch mini display, powered by Super AMOLED technology, offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. Despite its smaller size, the display doesn't compromise on quality, making it perfect for users who value portability without sacrificing performance. Under the hood, the Samsung A56 is powered by the Exynos 2200 chipset, ensuring fast and efficient performance for multitasking, gaming, and more. With 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, this phone can handle even the most demanding apps and games with ease. Battery life is another standout feature. The 7,700 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, even with heavy gaming or media consumption. And with 45W fast charging, you can quickly power up and get back to using your phone without long waits. The design of the Samsung A56 is equally impressive. Its premium build features Gorilla Glass on the front and back, an aluminum frame, and IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Available in midnight black, Arctic blue, and rose gold, this phone is as stylish as it's functional. So, what do you think about the Samsung A56? Are you excited about its 300MP camera and mini display? Or do you think it's overkill for a compact smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.